Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to be going into a new unit over Chapter 7, and in this unit we're going to be talking about polynomials. But for today we're just going to be looking at classifying polynomials and really just go over a lot of definitions. So first we have several different types of polynomials. The first one is a monomial, and that just means one term. So for example, negative 3x to the fifth is a monomial. It's just one term. A binomial is two terms. So for example, just adding on to this, I can have negative 3x to the fifth plus 2x. That is two terms. And then a trinomial is three terms. So for example, I can have negative 3x to the fifth plus 2x minus 7. So it's three terms there. And so one way to remember that is monomial, mono, that just means one. Bi, that means two. And tri, that means three. But then we also just have polynomials, so just in general. And a polynomial is monomials or the sum of monomials. So monomial, binomial, trinomial, those are types of polynomials. Polynomial is just the general term for it. And then we have something that we can find called the degree of a polynomial, and that is just the highest exponent of a polynomial. And then to find the degree of a monomial, it's a little bit different. The degree of a monomial is found by adding the exponents of all the variables together. So let's go through some examples. So here I want to find the degrees of monomials and polynomials. So I look at this first one, I have negative 2x to the fifth y squared. I know from up here that this is a monomial, it's only one term. And to find the degree of it, I need to add the exponents of all of the variables together. And so here I see x has an exponent of 5, y has an exponent of 2. So that means the degree of this monomial is going to be 7. Number 2, this one's a little bit tricky. It's trying to trick you here. So if you look back, remember at Chapter 6, whenever a variable doesn't have an exponent, there's really an exponent of 1. So this will be 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4. Now number 3, I see I have a binomial here, so a polynomial. And so to find the degree of a polynomial, it's going to be the highest exponent. So I'm going to have to determine what the exponent is of this first term and what the degree is of the second term and see which one is higher. So looking at this first one, again, this y really has a 1 with it. I get 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. My second term, again, that x really has a 1 with it. So I have 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. So the degree of this polynomial is going to be whichever one was higher. Well, the 4 is higher, so this degree is 4. Looking at this last one, I see this first term, its degree is 2. The second term, its degree is 1. 5, since there's no variable with it, this has a degree of 0. So which one's the highest? Well, 2 is the highest.